Channel lock still made in the USA? Stay till the end of the video and find out. These are hands down the best crimpers I've ever owned. In today's video, we're going to show you what we feel is the best crimpers ever built. You have a pair of these? You better go out and get you a set. The feature that really makes these crimpers stand out is this really adequate cutting edge. It's easy to cut 14 gauge, 12 gauge, up to 8 gauge wire. The thing I really like about these crimpers is right here is this little dimple right here for crimping non-insulated butt connectors. After 40 years of crimping, I feel I have a good authority on crimpers. Channel Lock Company was created in 1886 and manufactured in Needville, Pennsylvania, where they still are currently being manufactured. I spent about 10 years of my career building police cars and probably made 500 crimps per day during build season. I'm on my third set of crimpers made by Channel Lock that are made for crimping insulated connectors and non-insulated connectors. Opinion, Channel Lock makes the best set of crimpers money can buy. Great cutter, great crimper, 10 inches long so you don't fatigue your hand. They're really easy to use and they last. One thing I have noticed is the quality of the rubber that they put on these handles. This is a brand new set I just bought forever. This rubber right here on these handles are over 30 years old. The same with these are probably like 25. These are just a set of cutters made by Channel Lock. So Channel Lock makes a lot of different products, not just channel pliers. Channel Lock makes channel locks, they make wire cutters, they make wire crimpers. Channel Lock is a USA made, still made in America, proud to be an America company. So spend some of your USA dollars on a USA made tool that'll last you a lifetime. After doing some research, I found that Channel Lock actually builds screwdrivers, they make wrenches, they make pry bars, they make a lot of other things other than crimpers and channel locks. If you found value in this video, please subscribe. We really appreciate your subscriptions. Channel Lock, if you're listening, if you put a 14 gauge wire stripper right there where you got that crimper for insulated butt connectors, these would be perfect.